Hello, welcome to Crazy Problems to Easy Solutions. This is Satya Priya. I'm full in mathematics, and today's topic is parallelogram. Now we have to see the parallelogram definition. A quadrilateral in which both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel is called parallelogram. For look at the figure. So here A, B, C, D is a one quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral, the opposite sides are parallel. Like AB is parallel to C and D, and AD is a parallel to BC, even though BC is a parallel to AD and DC is a parallel to AB. So this all the sides is parallel to for the opposite side. So this is called the parallelogram. Properties of parallelogram. The opposite sides are equal and parallel. So opposite sides is parallel we know. So that is also in equal sides for sides. The opposite angles are equal. Opposite angle are equal. The adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles we know the supplementaries come for 180-degree. Adjacent angles come for the supplementary angles. The diagonals bisect each other. The diagonals are bisecting into each other. AC have to draw one diagonal that is for the bisect of each other. Each diagonal bisect the parallelogram into two concurrent triangles. We have to draw in the by each diagonals bisector. We are getting for the two concurrent triangles. That means it's a same shape and same size also. Even size is also same. Special kinds of parallelograms. First one, rectangle. All angles are equal to 90 degrees. So you have to measure any angles from the rectangle. You are getting for exactly for 90 degree. Opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Obviously opposite sides are equal and opposite angles also parallel. You have to imagine the rectangle figure also. The special name is given to such a parallelogram is called rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram whose all angles are right angles. In the parallelogram of rectangle, its all angles are right angles. Diagonal properties of rectangle. The diagonals of rectangle are equal. The diagonals of rectangle bisect each other. The diagonals of rectangle also equal, and the diagonals of rectangle bisect also each other. Here one example problem is there. In a rectangle x, y, w, z. Suppose O is a point is a intersection of its diagonals. So in this diagram O is a point. That is point is in two diagonals also intersecting the point. Common point is O. If the angle ZOW is a 110 degree, calculate the measure of OYW. So now we know that in the given angle ZOW equal to 110. Hence WOY equal to 180 minus 110, because of the angle is a supplementary angle. Sum of the supplementary angle equal to 180. Then we have to write WOY equal to 180 minus 110. The remaining answer is 70. Now OYW is an isosceles triangle. Look at OYW is an isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal. So we are saying as now OY and OW is both sides are equal because of the isosceles triangle. Hence OYW equal to OWY equal to 180 minus 70 divided by 2. So here 7 one remaining answer is 1110 divided by 2. the answer is 55. So the answer of OYW is 55 degree. Rhombus. A rhombus is a parallelogram in which all four sides are equal. All the four sides are also equal. All the angles are also equal. Angle A equal to angle C and angle B equal to angle D. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. We have to write all the sides are equal. So this is called the rhombus. Properties of the parallelogram. All the sides of rhombus are equal, absolutely equal, and opposite sides are parallel. The diagonals bisect each other at right angles. So with the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. The two diagonals divided the rhombus into the four concurrent right angles. So here if we have to draw in the two diagonals for the bisector, if we are getting for the concurrent for four triangles, angles also bisected by the diagonals. Angles. Square, a quadrilateral in which all the angles are equal and all the sides are equal. So this is called the square. That means all sides are equal, all angles are equal, all the sides are equal. Each side, each angle is an right angle. Diagonals also equal. Diagonals bisect at right angles. So you have to draw the diagonals. The diagonals is a bisect for the right angles. Properties of square. A rectangle in which adjacent sides are equal. A rhombus in which each angle is 90 degree. Even for the square also, for each angle is a 90 degree. So thank you for watching the crazy problems to easy solutions.